Challenging, o sea, difícil, complicado, como la mayoría de los arquitectos en España. Pero seguimos trabajando en la misma línea que hemos hecho desde el principio, que es intentar comprender la necesidad de un cliente, entender una visión de la arquitectura social y, por supuesto, un gran compromiso con el medio ambiente desde el inicio de nuestro despacho, y eso lo hemos mantenido a lo largo del tiempo. Aunque estos últimos años nos hemos focalizado en la internacionalización de nuestro despacho y estamos yendo hacia Sudamérica.
Well, we are a young office, but we have been, in the past 5 years, we have been basically trying to survive Spanish crisis, and we are still here, so that means something. We are proud of that. And we have been focused mostly in international competitions plus small housing commissions that we have combined to try to investigate a bit different ways of architecture.
We are an architectural office that has been working mainly in architectural competitions, and we've been focused mainly in educational and cultural spaces. We've been working all through Spain, doing many cultural sport facilities and educational buildings. No? For us, educational buildings have been very important, both for the younger people and the high school buildings as well. And also we are also in touch with some landscape architecture, mainly related to wine architecture.
Our architecture has been always been thrived by creativity and research. Thus, on one hand, we believe that imagination has been always the triggering of new ways of approaching architecture and evolving the discipline. That it's a long-lived discipline that needs to search for new ways of creating new forms and new ways of living. And on the other hand, this creativity and this imagination process is always reinforced by technological research and various different kinds of research that makes possible the materialization of ideals and more conceptual approaches towards architecture.
Nowadays, we are based in Spain. But we have offices, for instance, in Doha, in Qatar, and of course because of the crisis. But it's something we really like, to do, to go abroad and to try to do something there. I think it's a different approach to the projects. For instance, we like really to collaborate with people, that are not really. People that belongs, to our architectural world. We like, to collaborate with artists, with social experts, urban planners, and all these kind of people, that really can put something else into the project that we really like to push.
In these past years, if we are talking about the recent past years, most of the time we are searching for work. This is one of the characteristics of these times. And well, we have been doing competitions here in Spain and also abroad. We have made some collaborations with foreign offices, and also we are dedicated to teaching, and also with lectures abroad in Israel or in some universities of Europe.
Pues en un común denominador con otros estudios valiosos españoles, por integrarme dentro de un conjunto, yo apunto que lo que me parece importante es la actitud ante el encargo, que es lo mismo que decir la actitud ante el cliente o la actitud ante la sociedad que nos encarga un trabajo. Y bueno, mirarla no con mezquindad ni con divismo, sino mirarla con rigor, con responsabilidad y con compromiso y con actitud de servicio. Y luego, pues yo diría que nuestro estudio, pues lo que ofrece con cosas concretas, ofrece un diseño personalizado y un servicio muy personalizado al cliente. Es decir, no nos miramos el ombligo nuestro, sino que intentamos mirar el ombligo del cliente y explorar todas sus posibilidades, sus peligros.
Our work has been characterized this last year with dealing with public administration. We gained our main clients through public competitions. We work mainly in housing projects, collective housing, and with a stress. Our interest in doing public housing is doing it with a stress in building for people. What means for us building for people? Building for people is firstly thinking in the passerbys, in the citizens, in the people that is in the view of the building from the outside, and secondly is building from the inside, building for the people that is going to live inside the units, and thinking in the spaces that held alive, that are made for the use of people, orientation, cross ventilations, materials, all these things that are important for the habitation of a space.
Nosotros estamos especializados en proyectos de gran envergadura y sobre todo últimamente hacemos centros de multiuse, donde hay centro comercial, hay oficinas, hay hotel, parkings, y entonces esto los caracteriza como dinamizadores de áreas urbanas importantes. Hemos trabajado y hemos hecho alrededor de 150 centros comerciales en todo el mundo, y nuestra última obra más significativa es Puerto Venecia en Zaragoza, que es el centro comercial más grande de Europa, en el que hay unos 275.000 metros cuadrados construidos.
Hemos hecho edificios públicos, sobre todo, por la vía de los concursos. Hemos hecho edificios de muy diferentes usos, todos marcados por la tónica común de que son, lo he dicho, edificios de uso público. Y además hemos tenido un desarrollo profesional, creo que diferente a la generalidad de los estudios, puesto que hemos asumido responsabilidades de gestión integral de los proyectos, bastante poco común en el mundo de los arquitectos, la verdad. Y eso nos ha llevado pues a que los procesos de construcción pues nos hemos metido de lleno en ellos, no solamente en la parte de proyectos, sino también en la parte de gestión, de promoción, de control económico, de gestión de todo el conjunto.
Yo creo que lo que nos ha interesado es el proceso arquitectónico global, no simplemente lo que es la construcción, que es lo que dice él, sino todos los procesos que llevan a que el resultado sea el buscado, con un pensamiento no solo arquitectónico, sino social del edificio, ¿no?
Al igual que otros muchos, habría que decir con humildad que buscar la excelencia en lo que hacemos. En eso entiendo que no somos exclusivos, pero sí en la configuración de un equipo pluridisciplinar muy extraordinariamente cualificado, que aborda todas las escalas, desde la escala 1.50.000 en los primeros esbozos del diseño urbano, hasta la escala 1.2 en la elaboración de prototipos industriales vinculados al mundo industrial, ¿no? Es decir, la arquitectura entendida en todos sus estadios, en todas sus escalas, concediendo a cada detalle, a cada diseño, o por el contrario, a la globalización de esas ideas, la misma importancia, ¿no?
It's an office really much related with the cultural, that tackles a lot of cultural and social issues, and very much focused on environmental issues, in which it's taking us time to develop a clear agenda because of the ambience of the territory that we practice, which is not really conscious about it.
Actually, we started working abroad just before the recession. We've been working internationally from the Madrid office for the last 10 years in many countries around Europe, especially in Turkey. We've worked in Ukraine, we have worked in Romania, also in North Africa, Morocco. We are now working in Algeria and Doha. So basically we had to, in a way, open our minds and start traveling to try to find jobs outside our country here in Spain.